Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today we're unboxing the Ooni Karu, and also I'm gonna have a look at it and give my first impressions. Here we go. Looking at the stone, already I can see that it's a lot deeper than the Kodas and the Ooni 3s. It's got good packaging here. All looks nicely wrapped and protected. This is the fuel hatch. It looks really well insulated. I think the base of the oven is as important as the inside of the oven, and so here it is upside down. I can see that there's just a hole for the stone where you put your finger there to push the stone up, but I can't see any other holes or vents underneath, so that's really good. I really like that the design of this oven incorporates the stone and lowers it so that it goes into the dip shown here. The reason why I like it is because this makes the stone flat against the front of the oven. This ensures that the stone sits flat against the front lip of the oven. The burner bowl, I call it, it's a good design actually, because the front of it acts as a flame guard, so when you're cooking and the flames are very close to the back of your crust maybe, at least you've got some protection from the front part of that bowl, stop your crust from burning. And it's also a very nice size. I like it. It's got a nice depth to it. It goes up at the back, so you can put a good amount of charcoal and or wood in there. The rear vent cap at the back was already on the oven, and that's there to protect the Karu when you're cooking, and it stops the breeze hitting the flames at the back. I think that's a really good idea to have that on there. So overall, looking at this oven and first impressions, I can see already that it looks like a small Ooni Pro with some upgraded features. I like the fact that this chimney has the catch for turning down the airflow of heat in the chimney, so this is great for cooking bread and other dishes other than pizza in, so it does give that extra versatility which the Ooni 3 didn't have on its chimney, but the Pro does. These nice plastic black handles which seem to protect your hands better, and they're located a bit further away from the oven shell so that you don't burn your hands. I also love the way the chimney can be removed. It's got a nice locking system. It's really easy. You just push it down and then it clicks in and out again, which is fantastic. Really does make this a portable pizza oven because of that, and the stone can also be easily removed. Seriously, how solid is this door? I mean, look at that. This is a piece of kit. I mean, wow. I mean, I wouldn't want to drop that on my foot like that. That's a solid door, and yeah, that will definitely keep the heat in your oven. Look at it. Brilliant. set on not using the pizza dough at all. I want to see my cook. So I'm going to see how this can manage that. I just want to show you the little chimney thing there. You can see there's a little bridge there that stops the flame coming forwards. I do not want to use the pizza dough. I don't want to be like pulling this in, turning my pizza, putting this back on. I don't want to be doing that at all. It's like a substantial chimney lid as well. The great thing about this oven as well, it also takes the Ooni 3 gas burner, and my next video will show this oven cooking with the Ooni 3 gas burner. And finally, I just want to say that I really do like the look of this oven. It's got gorgeous lines in it. It's got that lovely sort of industrial kind of look to it, but it's also got clean lines, and it's a very good looking oven. It's a really nice size. It's light, it's portable, and I know that I'm really looking forward to using it. So that's my first impressions of this oven, and I hope you found it useful. Take care everyone, stay safe, bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com, link is below.